Alright, so we're getting to the end of this little project for the day. I was going to use this aluminium pole or aluminum wherever you are in the world, and I decided to attempt to grind the paint off it, but then I moved on to this one here, which was already painted silver. I just gave it a wipe with some nail polish remover to remove any sticky residue, or as best as I could, that is. So now I'm just going to go ahead and re-drill the holes that I drilled for that one, and that'll be it. Alright, so we've got the pole done, but my OCD has kicked in and I'm not really happy with this top being exposed. So I think I'm going to just draw something up and 3D print a little cap, and then we'll call it done. Alright, so the festivus pole is done. I've got the little cap on the top, which I think just makes it look a whole lot neater. Now this was obviously my 21st century little rendition of the pole. I don't think they had 3D printers back in Frank's era, but yeah, it's just a cool little novelty piece, and anyone that's into Seinfeld would obviously appreciate it. It's a pretty amazing, funny show, a show about nothing. You know, it's a little bit of a, comedy, which I like. So, yeah, that's the festivus pole. Really pleased with how it turned out. And like I said, just my rendition. Yeah, so I hope everyone liked the little video. I hope everyone comments, likes, and subscribes. And I'm going inside because I've got to go see Aunt Vanderlei.